Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Jawaharlal Nehru Technical University, Hyderabad has released the application form of TS EAMCET 2020 in online mode on February 21. All the interested candidates should submit the form before the last date, which is March 30th. However, by paying additional late fee in various amounts, the applications can be submitted till April 27th. Here in this video, Careers 360 presents step-by-step procedure to fill TS EAMCET 2020 application form. Step 1. Pay registration fee. While filling out the application form, candidates have to first make a payment of Rs 800 as the application fee of TS EAMCET. However, for SC, ST and physically handicapped candidates, the application fee is Rs 400. To pay, click on the Pay Registration Fee link. Now, the payment verification page will appear on the screen. Fill all the required details such as qualifying exam hall ticket number, mobile number, date of birth, email ID, payment details, etc. After filling the details, click on the Proceed to Payment button that will appear on the screen after the details are filled. Select the card type and make a payment. It should be noted that the candidates can use any bank card provided it is either Visa, MasterCard or Maestro type. Upon successful payment, a payment reference ID will appear on the screen. Note down the ID for future reference and then click on the Proceed to Fill Application button. Step 2. Fill Application Form. After clicking on the Proceed to Fill Application button, the TS EAMCET 2020 application form will appear on the screen. Enter all the asked details such as candidates details, category details, bank details, address and qualifying examination. Also enter any 3 preferred exam centers. Candidates have to next upload the photograph and signature as per specifications. After submitting all the details, go through the declaration form and click on I accept the terms and conditions. After this, click on the Next button and submit. It should be noted that if the candidate has qualified or appeared from Board of Intermediate Education, TS or AP, then the data will be automatically populated from the database. Otherwise, the candidate should furnish the necessary details by entering the details in appropriate fields. Candidates will be able to view the filled-in application form. Click on the Modify button to make any changes in the application form. Otherwise, submit the application form. Upon clicking the Submit button, the registration number will appear on the screen. Save it for future reference. Also, take a printout of the application form. Step 3. No payment status. After submitting the form, candidates can check the status of payment by clicking on the Know Your Payment Status tab on the home page. Enter the qualifying exam hall ticket number, date of birth, stream and then click on the Check Payment Status button. To know more about TS EAMCET application form, click on the link provided in the description below.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and visit Careers 360 website for more details.